This Century 21 United property video is presented by Tracy Thomas. Stunning home in Plantation Hills. This Chip Welch custom home features an open floor plan, 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 full baths, plus bonus space well suited for an office or game room. The master suite is located remotely on the main floor with the bathroom of your dreams. The walk-in, open shower dons a bonus rainfall head, creating the ultimate spa-like experience. With a soaking tub under a frosted window and a soft-lit chandelier above, relaxing will be a breeze. The substantial main living areas are perfect for entertaining and family time. The spacious kitchen with an oversized island and stainless appliances is the ultimate space for holiday baking and gathering. Off the living areas are 2 bedrooms at a size your kids can actually move around in. The 4th bedroom/3 RD bath on the 2nd floor is the ideal spot for guests. Huge fenced-in backyard with a double gate provides ample space for fun. This is the only Phase 1 property currently available for purchase. Don't wait. For more information, review the details below.